So, good day everyone. For today's video is i-explain natin kung paano natin nagawa yung sys6 sa ating OS. So, first is basahin natin yung requirements. Sabi dito, you must create OS client. One is for Windows XP and one for Windows 7. You need to connect the two client OS to your Windows Server domain using DHCP. So, sa Windows 7 daw, yung IP address must belong to Class A network. Windows XP naman, yung IP address must belong to Class B network. And lastly, you must log in 5 accounts per section per OS. Okay. So, OS6 join server. So, this is the step-by-step instruction for the OS and connection to the server. First step is to open your VirtualBox Manager and open your Windows Server 2008. Step 2, change the network adapter to the internal network. So, i-right-click nyo lang yung Windows Server 2008 and then punta ka sa settings and then click the network. Tapos, i-check mo tong enable and then yung attach, ito pindutin mo lang, pipiliin mo yung internet network. And then, after that, pwede mo na i-open and open your Windows 7. Pag na-open mo na, go to control panel and click the change setting. Ito, change setting. Click nyo yan. So, control panel, system and security, and then sa system, hahanapin mo yung change setting. Pag nahanap mo na, go to network ID. And then, pag nasa network ID ka na, select your network. So, ito yung first radio button yung i-click mo. Sabi dito, this computer is part of a business network. I use it to connect to other computers at work. So, next step is mamimili ka ng company network sa iyong domain. So, sa akin, pinili ko yung unang radio button which is my company uses a network with a domain. And then, i-click lang natin yung next. Next step is yung you need to provide all the necessary information. So, dito, kailangan mo ilagay yung username, mag-login ka ng password, and user account domain name. Kailangan din ng computer name and computer domain name. Next step is choose an account type and click next. So, dito, ang pinili ko is standard account. Yung first radio button. So, after mo click yan, mag-restart na yung Windows 7 mo and ilalog in mo yung administrator account. So, after doing all of this, we can now log in different accounts. So, maglo-login tayo ng 5 account based sa requirements. And, ano yun, per section and per OS. So, automatic na mag-create yun ng folder under sa users. And we can check on the Active Directory users and computers of Windows 7 all the users that has been logged in. So, pupunta ka lang sa computer and i-click mo yung local disk and user and dun mo na makikita yung mga user na create mo. So, next step is for Windows XP. Sabi dito, open your Windows XP. So, pag na-open mo na, pupunta ka sa control panel and then i-view mo yung network connection. Yan. And then, step 13, go to the start and right-click my computer. So, pagka right-click mo, pupunta ka sa properties. Pag nasa properties ka na, punta ka dito sa section ng computer name and i-click mo yung network ID. Pag na-click mo na yon, mag-next ka lang and then after that, kailangan mo din mag-provide ng requirements gaya sa Windows 7. So, yung kailangan naman dito is yung username, password, user account domain, and kailangan din ng computer name and computer domain. So, pag kailangan mo na yan, ilalagay mo lang, ay i-click mo yung next. So, after yun, pwede mo nang i-click yung finish. So, it will now force us to restart our client, which is the Windows XP. Then proceed to log in. To log in, click the option button, and then ipoprovide mo yung create mong username and password, and mamili ka kung log in. Choose the log on to, which must be your domain. Then gagawin mo yun sa 2 accounts per section and per OS. So, it will now automatically create all the login users to a folder. So, pupunta ka lang sa Active Directory user, and then computer, and then domain, and lastly, yung computers, then click refresh, then makikita mo na yung 5 account na ginawa mo. That's it for OS C6.